Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down essentials, exact departure and return days or a plus or minus 2-3-day window, plus airport options. Enter traveler names as on government ID and add frequent flyer numbers now to capture fares. Open multiple tabs, one airline site, one metasearch, and an OTA using incognito to reduce price churn. Once done, sort by total price and travel time so you see real trade-offs. Make sure to note baggage rules before you proceed to booking level details. Now dive into comparing options. Filter for nonstop if time matters, or allow one stop to slash cost. Inspect total trip cost, add checked bag fees, seat selection, and taxes so comparisons are apples to apples. Use the flexible date calendar to spot cheaper days, set price alerts on multiple platforms, and consider multi-city or open-jaw routing for better schedules. As you evaluate, prioritize connection minimums and layover quality. This reduces risk and explains why a slightly higher fare may be. Finish by booking on the channel that gives best protections, often the airline directly, and review fare rules, change and cancellation penalties. Enter passenger details exactly as ID read. Add baggage and seat selections now to lock the total price. Before paying, double-check currency and final total. If a booking error or price mismatch happens, clear browser cache, try another device, or use the airline hotline. Keep screenshots and confirmation numbers handy so customer service resolves it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.